In this video, we'll learn how to adjust the assembly part properties to prepare the assembly for the creation of the bill of materials. We need to create a bill of materials that contains the following fields: item number, part name, quantity, and material. The bill of materials is based on the system properties of the model. We'll create the bill of materials using the reports functionality. First, we need to specify the property values for each component. Go to the assembly, select the connection rod, and start the component properties command in the context menu. Open the property list if it's closed. Let's check if all the properties we need are available. We will use position as an item number, designation as a part number, name as a part name, number as a quantity, and material as material. If you can't find a property that you need, add it using the property management functionality. The property management window is divided into two parts: local properties of document and library properties. You can open a library here and add a property to your document. If you check a property here, it will appear in the property list of the component properties. We already have all the properties we need. Click Close. Notice that you can change the value of the position property, which means the item number, right in the property list. The values of designation and name are inherited from the connecting rod part now. You can change designation and name right here on the parameters bar. In this case, the By Source option will turn off and the source field in the property list will be unchecked. If you turn on this button again, the values of the properties will be obtained from the part. You can change the material if you select the method of calculation by density or by mass. Let's return to the By Source data method. I will just stop the command because I haven't changed anything. You can check the other components if necessary.